Hello viewers, this is Sunil, the Wizard Guy. Welcome to this episode of document creation and saving. In the last video, we talked of how to create and save a document. So in this case, in this video, we are going to look at how to use an option for save as. So I promised you I'm going to talk about save as. So let me open the file that you created. You can see. So we save it as letters. So we have letters. Let me open that same document. If you have one on the screen, please open it. Right. So we talked about saving. We said you go to file, then you look for save as. It's for save. So when you click save, we located where we are to save the file. Now we're going to talk about save as. Save as is an option which you can use when you are relocating a file or when you are saving a file in a different location. That's when you can use a save as option. So we use save if we are saving for the first time and if we are saving changes to our document. For example, I typed Microsoft introduction to Microsoft Office Word or MS Word document. Now, if I want to add some words, for example, document Word 2016. So after typing 16, I'll go ahead and do what? I save that change that I've just done to the text. So I'll click what? Save. So I'll just save changes to the text. So when I close this and then I open my letter again, I'll have the words Word 2016 of which I've just added. Let me add another one. Let me say functions of word processing software. So these are functions of word processing software. So I'll go ahead and do what? I click file, then I say what? Save. So when I close this file, I open my letter again. I will see what I typed earlier because I chose an option for save. So save option helps you not to lose the changes you have just made to your text. So if you have added a text to your document and you want to see that document later on, you click on what? Save. So every letter, every word, every number, every character that you type in your document, make sure you click what? Save to save changes to your work. So we have the other option for save as. So save as we said when you are changing the location of that file, or you're making a copy of that file into another saving location. It could be a flash, it could be a memory card, it could be on a different storage media like floppy diskette and so on. So we can use save as. So we click on save as and then we come and select the location, our new location of the file. Maybe you don't want to use that folder that we used, but you want to use another folder. So in this case, I'm going to use what? Document. So I'll click document and then I'll come and type the file name again. If I want the same file name, I will use what? That same file name. Or if I want to change, I can just change. The file name. I type a different name. So after typing the name, then you can do what? Click save. Then you have this other option here. This one is looking or changing the location of the file. You can change from here. If you have put a flash, you can click on the flash here. If you have another drive, you can click on that drive. And then you type the file name. After typing the file name, you click what? Save. Or you can change the location to my music, to my pictures, or to my OneDrive. Then you do what? You click save. So that is save as. With save as, you're changing the location of that file. Then save is saving for the first time or saving changes to your file. Alright, let me hope you have gotten the difference between save and save as. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and even commenting. God bless you.